Welcome to the introduction to Node.js. In this chapter, we will explore the fundamentals of Node.js, a powerful and versatile tool that has revolutionized the way developers build applications. Node.js is a powerful tool that allows developers to use JavaScript for server-side scripting. This means you can write both the client-side and server-side code in the same language, which simplifies the development process and makes it more efficient. Traditionally, JavaScript was used only for front-end development, but with Node.js, developers can now use JavaScript for everything. This includes building the server-side logic, handling database operations, and even managing server configurations. This unified approach means that both front-end and back-end development can be handled seamlessly. Developers no longer need to switch between different programming languages, which can save time and reduce the likelihood of errors. One of the key advantages of Node.js is its speed and scalability. Built on the V8 JavaScript engine, Node.js executes code at lightning speed. Its non-blocking, event-driven architecture allows it to handle multiple requests simultaneously without slowing down. This makes Node.js perfect for building web applications, real-time applications, and even microservices. Whether you're developing a chat application, an online gaming platform, or a complex enterprise solution, Node.js can handle it all with ease. Node.js uses an event-driven architecture, which is particularly well-suited for I/O heavy operations. This means it can efficiently manage tasks like reading and writing to databases, handling file uploads, and processing network requests. This architecture makes Node.js highly efficient for handling many requests at once. It's no wonder that many high-traffic websites and applications rely on Node.js to deliver fast and responsive user experiences. Another significant advantage of Node.js is its large and active community. With thousands of developers contributing to its ecosystem, there are countless libraries, frameworks, and tools available to help you build your applications faster and more efficiently. This means there are many resources available for developers, from online tutorials and documentation to community forums and meetups. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, you'll find plenty of support and guidance. There are also many frameworks and tools built specifically for Node.js. Popular frameworks like Express.js, Koa.js, and Happy.js provide robust solutions for building web applications, APIs, and more. These frameworks can help simplify development and improve performance, allowing you to focus on building features rather than dealing with boilerplate code. Additionally, tools like NPM, the Node Package Manager, make it easy to manage dependencies and share code with others. Node.js is used by many companies around the world, from small startups to large enterprises. Companies like Netflix, LinkedIn, and Walmart have all adopted Node.js for its performance and scalability benefits. These include small startups looking to quickly build and iterate on their products, as well as large enterprises that need to handle millions of users and complex workflows. Node.js provides the flexibility and power needed to meet these diverse requirements. It is a versatile and powerful technology that can be used for a wide range of applications. From web development to IoT, Node.js opens up new possibilities for developers to innovate and create. In conclusion, Node.js is a great choice for building modern web applications. Its speed, scalability, and extensive ecosystem make it an invaluable tool for developers looking to create high-performance, reliable, and maintainable applications. The need for speed. Why optimize? Optimization is key for Node.js applications. Faster applications mean happier users. Nobody likes waiting for a slow website. Optimization can also reduce server costs. This is because optimized code requires fewer resources. There are many aspects to optimization. It's about more than just fast code. It also involves efficient resource management. This includes things like memory and database connections. Good optimization leads to a better user experience. It also makes your application more scalable and cost-effective. Writing smarter code. Best practices. Writing clean and efficient code is crucial. Use clear and concise syntax for readability. Follow style guides to keep your code consistent. This makes it easier for you and others to work with. Avoid unnecessary operations in your code. Choose the right data structures for the job. For example, use maps or sets when you need efficient lookups. Be mindful of how you use loops and iterations. Small changes in your code can make a big difference. Modules matter choosing and managing. Node.js relies heavily on modules. Choose modules carefully for your project. Only use modules that are well maintained and have a good reputation. Too many modules can lead to bloat. This can slow down your application. Keep your modules updated. Updates often include performance improvements and security fixes. Use a package manager like npm or yarn. These tools help you manage your project's dependencies. Turbocharging Node.js performance tuning. Performance tuning is essential for optimal performance. One important aspect is caching. Cache frequently accessed data to reduce database queries. Use a process manager like PM2 to manage your Node.js processes. PM2 can help with load balancing and restarting your application automatically if it crashes. Profile your application to identify bottlenecks. Use tools to measure performance and find areas for improvement. There are many techniques for performance tuning. The right approach depends on your specific application and its requirements. Tools of the trade optimization helpers. Many tools and libraries can help optimize your Node.js applications. Use a code profiler to identify performance bottlenecks. Profilers analyze your code's execution and pinpoint areas that need improvement. Consider using a logging library for better error tracking and debugging. Caching tools can help you store frequently accessed data in memory. This can significantly speed up your application. These tools provide valuable insights and assistance in optimizing your application. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Avoid common Node.js performance pitfalls. These pitfalls can significantly impact the efficiency and reliability of your applications if not addressed properly. One major mistake developers often make is blocking the event loop. This can happen when you write synchronous code that takes a long time to execute. The event loop is the heart of Node.js. It handles all asynchronous operations, making sure your application can handle multiple tasks at once. Blocking the event loop can lead to severe performance issues, causing your application to become unresponsive. To avoid this, always use asynchronous operations whenever possible. Asynchronous code allows the event loop to continue processing other requests while waiting for I/O operations to complete. Asynchronous operations are crucial for maintaining the responsiveness of your application. They ensure that your application can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without getting bogged down. Another common pitfall is memory leaks. Memory leaks occur when your application doesn't release memory that it no longer needs, leading to inefficient memory usage. Over time, memory leaks can cause your application to use more and more memory, eventually leading to crashes or degraded performance. To prevent memory leaks, it's essential to use tools that can detect and fix them. Regularly monitoring your application's memory usage can help you identify and address leaks before they become a problem. By being aware of these common pitfalls and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you can ensure that your Node.js applications run smoothly and efficiently. Use the right tools and best practices to keep your code clean and performant. A case study, a real-world optimization story. Let's look at a real-world example. This case study will take us through the journey of optimizing a popular social media application. Imagine a social media application that millions of users rely on daily to stay connected with friends and family, share updates, and consume content. However, this app was experiencing slow loading times, causing frustration among its users. The delay was significant enough to impact user engagement and satisfaction. To address this issue, the development team began by profiling the application. They meticulously analyzed the performance metrics to pinpoint the root cause of the slowdown. Their investigation revealed that the bottleneck was in the database query responsible for retrieving user data. This query was inefficient and slowed down the entire application. To optimize the query, the developers decided to add indexes to the database. Indexes help in quickly locating the data without having to search every row in a table. In addition to indexing, they implemented caching mechanisms. Caching stores frequently accessed data in a temporary storage area, allowing for faster retrieval times. These combined optimizations resulted in a significant performance improvement. The application became much more efficient and responsive. The loading times were reduced by an impressive 70%, making the app much faster and more user-friendly. As a result, users experienced a much more responsive and enjoyable application, leading to higher satisfaction and engagement. This real-world optimization story highlights the importance of performance tuning in software development. Stay tuned for more AI goodness. Want to learn more about AI and its impact on web development? Subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos and tutorials. We'll explore the latest trends, tools, and techniques that are shaping the future of technology. Stay ahead of the curve and discover the endless possibilities of AI.